Hi guys, it's Beata from Feonix Aesthetics. Today I would like to present our new product, which is magnetic eyelashes. Let me show you guys what's in the box. So, we have a leaflet with tips how to use and how to remove the eyelashes. We also have 5 high quality eyelashes with different length, 2 eyeliners and a tweezer. So now let's begin. Let me show you how to apply these lashes. So before you apply the lashes, you have to measure the eye and measure the eyelash. Mine are already pre-cut. So first of all, we have to shade the eyeliner, and now I show you how quick and easy it is to apply them. Okay, so let's draw the eyeliner. The eyeliner cannot be too thin. Now we apply to another one. Okay. So we're waiting 30 seconds and then we are ready to apply the lashes. So I'm gonna quickly show you. There is 5 magnetic square, which you can see. Mine has 4, because my eye is not too big. So my eyeliner is ready and I can apply the lashes now. So let's take maybe this one. So I start from the end of the eye, go into the middle and the front, and same procedure, going from the corner of the back of the eye, go into the middle and front. Sometimes we can push them a little bit more. So what are you thinking, guys? I really like them. It's so easy to apply, so quick to apply them. If we want more dramatic look, we can always apply the mascara. But with this length, what I choose, I don't think the mascara is needed. So if you would like to buy our product, please visit our website feonixaesthetics.co.uk or follow us on social media, Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.